Hello guys, we here at the waterfalls. We want to show you guys the lake, the water there. Oh,
wow, look at that water.
It's still really cold, you see? Oh no, don't go.
Let's just go look right here real quick.
And there's a hill here. Still nice cold.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to the car because you didn't bring any coat. I know, but Mama didn't bring coat. She didn't want to record today. I don't know why you brought the camera without bringing coat. As I said, we're not recording if we're staying in the car.
It's really freezy. Still.
Let's come back out.
Yeah, another day. Okay. Whoa. It's so pretty.
Alright, we have to go back because Mommy didn't bring her coat.
We didn't know it was gonna be this cold. Gotta go back now. You sure you guys?
Stay in the car? You want to go stay in the car with the kids while I record?
Yeah.
Alright.
You wanna go with Daddy, Salah? Or you stay? I don't know. You guys stay.
You want to stay in the car with Mommy and the baby? How about you having to use the bathroom? What about that, Paul?
Huh?
What about you using the bathroom? Alright guys, so it's too cold for Mama. And the kids, they want to go, but I guess it's too cold for them too. So it is a bit cold out right now. But I did want to show you guys one of the cool parks that we like here. I've never seen the water there flow like that. Must be a lot of water today, as well as the lake here. I don't know if it's a man-made lake or if it's, you know, lake that made itself somehow, but the lake is higher than usual. I don't usually see the water this high, probably because it's springtime. There's many things I like about this park here, the trail. First off, the water. A lot of people like to come here and go fishing. We're here in Sherrill, New York, and this is a nice park that they have. And right across the street from the park, there's a golf course and a old mansion that you can take a tour around. No tour guide, just, you know, walk around the mansion. We've tried to do it before, but we always come too late because I like to sleep in. Like right now, it's 6:30, almost 7 o'clock, somewhere in between there, p.m. Because I'm nocturnal, so I sleep during the day and I'm up all night. Tell you what, the kids are the same way. Last night, Priscilla stayed up later than me, not because I can't stay up as late, but I have to sleep on a machine, which means I have to have 4 hours on it every day. So I had to go to bed when the sun came up to get my full 4 hours of the day. I forgot there's something over here I'm going to show you that I forgot it was here. So let's go take a quick look and go off the trail. Oh, gotta be careful, but let's see what we got over here. I know there's wildlife everywhere. I don't think I have to worry too much about wildlife. Here's part of it. There's an old building here. Not too big, small building. And we'll come up here on the main structure. Ah, there's the river. Leads to Sherrill. Here we go. We got this. Used to be possibly a bridge. Maybe a railroad. So this is one of the sights that is good to see here when you go to Cherville. In the park. Fishing spots, if you're a fisher. That's how we knew about it, because Paul's family loves to go fishing, especially her dad, so they come out here all the time. A lot of Karen people like to go fishing. This is a spot that they're pretty successful at it. Alright, we're still off the main trail, which is not too far from here. The lake's right over there, but the river's right here. The distance between the lake and the river, you can see right there. Not too far apart. So you got plenty of choices to go fishing. Plenty of paths to take you between each. When I first noticed these structures here, we were all hanging out right over there. Me and the kids. And I decided I'll take a walk over there and see what it is. Yeah, I'm running a bit. Let's get some exercise in. Also because Paul needs to go home or go somewhere soon. So let's get some running in. Here's the path right there. This is a nice like hangout spot, you know, take the kids, sit down, hang out. Let's get a closer look here. Do be careful of them on the edge here because they're roughhousing and almost fell over there. And then I saw that and I was like, better go check that out. Oh, let's get some exercise in and go for a nice run. Geese. Lots of geese. There's a trail that goes all the way through there. In fact, kind of dissipates and disappears into someone's yard. Streets are usually busier, but of course there's a lockdown. Usually the parking lot has other cars, other people around here, but a mixture of quarantine and it's cold out. It's not a nice summer day like when we usually come out here. It's got a bit of a chill, but I think the weather is great. Originally I was gonna be leaf because it's a bit scary. I thought it was some kind of bug or something. Originally I was gonna bring the wagon through here, carry the kids. Would have been a bit of a longer truck. Plus getting through that hole there with the wagon would have been a little hard. Look at that view. Nice view of the lake. Once again, fishing. There are some mud spots to watch out for, but not too hard to get around them. Soon we're coming up to another great spot to take a look at when you come out here. And I can see it from here, but with the camera being wide lens, you might not get a good view of it till we get to it. Now it's a bit windy. There's a side trail to get there to the waterfall a bit easier. There's a trail there. Mud. Yeah. Okay. Got around the mud there. All right. Look at that. So we come across nice waterfall. If you look across, there's a horse over there in someone's yard. And I see a horsey. I don't think anyone actually uses this staircase. There's an easier way down over there. But also the water's usually not raging like this. A little island. I've seen people take their shoes off and walk to that island before. some more horses over there. You walk down this little canal a bit, and there's this here. Hello. Whoa, I don't know what the hell was. Alright, frog. That scared me like crazy. Nice little bridge here. Be careful with the kids. So that water there goes all quite a bit. There's a trail there. That trail goes up to the hills there, which isn't too far, into someone's yard. Trail there, that trail goes along the water, but it gets pretty difficult to walk through. And I think eventually the trail goes underwater, where you might want to bring some water boots. So I think a mixture of the trail getting too rough for me and the kids, as well as the mosquitoes at that time, we decided to just turn back, because even though that's a shorter distance than the distance it took me to get here, the terrain took a little longer. Nice little swampy area. All right, this is nice. Get a little jog back, because I know the family's just waiting for me. And how much time do I got in there? Got about 10 minutes on the clock so far. So, you know, a nice little park that takes a 10-minute walk to and back. It's not bad. And then you can spend some time to just hang out. There's a lot of hangout areas here. Fishing, quiet place mostly. And another good thing is when spring is over and plants are blooming, there's a lot of natural raspberries here. So you might find yourself picking some berries. I don't know if you guys want to see more of the river or the lake, or maybe the birdies. What I like about this GoPro camera is it tells me how much time is on the clock, how much battery, how much memory's left. We got 11 minutes in, but I'm sure with editing, if any, video could be shorter or longer. Maybe even this talk I'm doing right now might even get cut out. Might not make the cut. The distance here is not too far. The river's right there. I wonder if this ever gets so high that it overflows into the river area. Probably. It's not that far apart. We're gonna try to make better quality traveling videos here for you, because we're still working on our computer skills and our editing skills. So I hope this video turns out well. We'll try to make them better for you in the future. Back here at the rock wall. Right over there is the golf course right there. And right across the street from where we parked is also that mansion I mentioned. Some places in the wild you don't want to go running. Hey guys. You don't want to go running in the wild if there's bears. There's a trail leads you to the golf course, and then the parking lot. Here, there's no wildlife that's gonna chase me down if I go running. All right, well, the lights are on and they're ready to go, I think.
Is it cold?
I'm sweating.
Really?
Made like a little fort for Jojo. He's got a little fort in here. All right. You still gotta use the bathroom? Oh, I was running for nothing.
Can you drive?
Yeah,
Are you tired?
I'm not tired. But we gotta get the kids in their seatbelts. And then I'll drive. Well, there you have it. Mission complete. Thanks for watching. Say thank you, Sarah.
Baba. Baba.
Ta blue.
Ta blue paddle.
Ta blue pado.